Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today, my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get a free affiliate website. And this affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to not only get a free affiliate website, but how to build it out the correct way so that you can actually make money with it. Okay, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, so you want to build a affiliate website, but you want it for free. So I just want to go over the things that you will need to build an affiliate website. Okay, first, to have a website, of course you're going to need web hosting and a domain. So a domain is usually a .com or .net or .org, whatever domain that you want for your website. And usually domains registration and web hosting are separate issues, so those are two things that you need. And then you need to also decide what kind of affiliate website that you're going to be making. Okay, so you need to pick a niche, and that is about the topic of your website and what kind of affiliate programs you're going to use for that topic so that you can earn money with your website. Okay, so those are the four things you need, and wherever you're going to get your free affiliate website from, you need to make sure that they have these four things for you to kind of go with or choose from. Okay, so after you have your website, these are the things that you're going to need for your website for it to make money. Okay, of course your website's going to need content, and you're going to need to know how to make that content, how to build that content, how to create it, and also you need to be able to add those affiliate links in the content so that your readers can eventually click on them and maybe even buy. So you're going to need visitors, of course, and then you're going to need them to actually buy your recommendation so that you can earn commissions. Okay, so those are the real simple steps of how to kind of use an affiliate website to make money with. Now, if you're just starting out and wanting to get a free affiliate website, there's four other things that I want to mention before you do that. There are some problems of having free affiliate websites. Okay, first issue is that you don't own it. So when you get a free website, usually on somebody's domain. So meaning you're probably going to get a subdomain of the main domain that they have. So like let's say you could get a free website like on a place like medium.com. Medium.com is a huge hub where people can get their own kind of page on there and have their own site and then write whatever they want on it. But however, the problem with that is that if you write on other people's platforms like that, that content is non-transferable. Okay, that content that you've worked on is going to be gone. Like, it's not going to be owned by you anymore because it's going to be on their site. Okay, even though you think it's your site that you're logging into, you don't own that subdomain URL. Okay, that subdomain is still owned by the root domain. So for example, medium.com, you're not going to get a free website on medium.com. You're going to get one with your name .medium.com. So it's going to always be like a subdomain. So that is not transferable if they don't give you the option to transfer the content to your own domain. And a lot of free sites don't allow transferring. So that's one big problem. I just want to mention, even though I'm telling you the problems of having a free website, it doesn't mean I'm not going to show you where to get a free website. Okay, I'm still going to show you exactly where to get a free website and the best place to get a free website. Okay, so the no freedom means that sometimes you are not allowed, or they have certain criteria for your content to be a certain way, and they may limit the amount of affiliate links that you have on your page. And sometimes they don't rank as fast because you are on a subdomain, and sometimes subdomains don't rank as fast as a root domain. So wherever you get your free website from, you do want to make sure that you can transfer it to your own domain. So this is a big thing that you need to look for when looking for a free affiliate website. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you to one platform that's going to give you all the technical things that you need, which is your free website that gives you hosting, and it gives you a place where you can also buy your own domain if you want to transfer it to your own domain one day. So buying a domain of course, I just said buying. So you will have a cost for your domain, but your domain is actually going to be only like about $15 a year. So domains aren't that expensive. But anyway, you can start free because you're going to get the website for free. And you, in this place, you can actually get free training so that you can do this part of it, okay? So you can know and develop skills to create the right content and know how to use affiliate links properly and know how to make your website attract its own visitors by itself so that it could make money on its own, okay? So this place that I'm going to show you has all of that, and you're going to get some free help as well, but you will get more help if you don't stay free, okay? So what I'm going to propose you to do is actually go to a platform like Wealthy Affiliate, where I started training affiliate marketing at, okay? This is where I trained at as well in 2016. That's when I started at Wealthy Affiliate. And today I am a super affiliate on the platform. I've been a super affiliate on there since 2018, and they are a great platform. They specialize in training people to be affiliate marketers using a website to drive traffic, guys, okay? So this is a place where you don't need a credit card to start. You're going to start for free, and that's how you're going to get your free website, your free training, and free help. You're going to get a lot more than other places that you will find on the internet. I kid you not. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I've looked at a lot of different programs and a lot of different products out there for affiliate marketing, and there is no place like Wealthy Affiliate out there, okay? So what you want to do though to get my face on here, you do kind of want to have my face on here, guys, because if you sign up with me, what's going to happen when you upgrade to premium is that I'm going to be your free coach, and you're going to get some other awesome bonuses from me if you signed up with me, okay? So you can use my link workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. So that is my affiliate link. So I will get commissions if you sign up and go premium, but I will help you a lot when you do that, okay? So when you first sign up for free though, you're going to see all my bonuses on your profile, because I'm going to send you a message shortly after you have signed up with me. Now, if you want help and everything else, you will need to upgrade to premium, and premium is pretty affordable. So once you sign up for free, you're going to go into the platform, and my screen is going to look a little different since, you know, I'm a premium member, of course. I've been a premium member since shortly I signed up, because when I first came on to Wealthy Affiliate, I absolutely loved this platform because the training was absolutely amazing. I really loved it. So there's two main courses here at Wealthy Affiliate. There is the online entrepreneur certification, which majority of people use right here, and then they also have affiliate bootcamp, which is for those who want to be in the affiliate marketing niche and promote Wealthy Affiliate itself. So this is what I do. I promote Wealthy Affiliate because I really love the platform, and their training has actually worked for me, and that's why I continue to promote this platform, because their training is awesome and the help is amazing. Once you go premium, guys, you will not see the kind of help from any other platform. The training is about building your affiliate website, okay? So with your free account, you get the first level for free. You don't get all 5 levels. So for premium, you get all 5 levels. For free, you get the first level free. And what's in the first level? 10 lessons, okay? And your free site is going to be in here. If you go through the first 10 lessons here, you will get your free website very easily, guys, okay? So see here, building your own niche website. So here you're going to learn how to choose a niche. That's what I mentioned earlier. What you need for your site is that you need to know how to choose a niche, and you could learn that right there in lesson 3. And then lesson 4, you're already building your free website and setting it up, and it's showing you the initial pages that you need for your website. Guys, for free, you're going to get a free website with training, with content on your new site already from your free account, okay? So once you have done that and you're done the first 10 lessons, that's when you decide if you're going to upgrade to premium. When you upgrade to premium, the entire course opens up to you, and everything else on the platform opens up to you, okay? There's only basically 2 memberships that you gotta decide on, free or premium. I just want to show you the website builder because it is so easy, guys, okay? To build your website, you just go to the site builder. It's very easy, guys, okay? It takes less than 1 minute to build your site on here. So you're gonna pick free domain, and then you're gonna pick your name. So you could do anything basically. The greatest thing about this platform is that you could get a free website here that's going to sit on their subdomain, and you could transfer that to your own domain very easily with the system, okay? So this is why I want to mention that in the beginning of this video, that you want to be able to switch your free site into your own domain site, because that's how you could still own your own content and keep your own content on your own site. So once you add a name here, and see it says available, so I can use that. And so I could probably use the same thing here as the title. So you probably want to use a name that's going to be closely related to your final domain name. This is your free site URL right here. This is what I mean by this is going to be a subdomain site. So site Rubix.com is owned by Wealthy Affiliate, and this is going to be the subdomain part that belongs to you. This is your title of your site, and then you could choose a theme. Now, a theme is basically what your site looks like, and because I'm premium, I get a lot of choices. So when you are a free member, you only get a few choices. So you can just pick whatever looks good to you, because theme is, you can always change it, so it doesn't really matter what you pick. And then you could just build your site. So when you click build a site, then it will literally take less than a minute right now. As I'm filming right here, it's going to be live already, and you'll be able to log into the back end and then do other stuff and continue with your lessons on the training here, okay? So it's just finalizing the installation, and here we go. It's already done, okay? See, this is my login information. This is my website URL right here, you see? And then this is where I log into the back end of my site, the second URL. So if I go to this URL, I already have a brand new site that is ready for me to put content and affiliate links on. So this is how fast that you can build a free website on Wealthy Affiliate. And when you're ready, all you gotta do when you buy your domain, so you go and buy your domain first, right? When you're ready and comfortable with this free site, so what you're gonna do is go to websites, you go to site domains. When you go to site domains, that's where you're going to buy your domain. Once you buy your domain, then you're gonna go back to this site manager. So you go, when you go to websites here, you go site manager up here on the top. And once you're at site manager, it will list all your sites that you have. So once you're on Site Manager, you just go to the site that you want to move, and you click here, Move. Where do you want to move your website? To an existing domain or to a new domain? So you don't already have to buy it already, so you could buy it here at this point if it's available, or you could buy it first and then transfer it when you're ready to transfer, because then sometimes you want to save your name first, right? So you could already buy it first, okay? So you could either just start checking for new domain, or you could just buy it first and then click here to get your domain, okay? To transfer your free site to your own domain. So once you click that, you go through the prompts, and it's easy. You're done. It's like it takes 2 seconds to click, 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 and then you're transferred to your new site. So that is how you can use Wealthy Affiliate as your basically your business platform, where you can build your site and learn your affiliate market and learn how to build your affiliate website out and start making money with your website, guys, okay? So that is the essence of what Wealthy Affiliate is. It's not only going to be a place where you have all the tools that you need for your business, but also the training, the knowledge that you're going to need to develop the skills that you need to build out your site, and also the help that you need, guys, okay? Again, if you sign up with me, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you will not only get me as your free coach, you're going to get the entire community inside Wealthy Affiliate, guys, okay? And the owners of Wealthy Affiliate. You're going to have access to Kyle and Carson to ask questions to as well. So you are not only getting me, which is great that you have me because I'm somebody that actually have success with this training and know what they're doing and I'm making money with it, so that you can come to me with any questions that you have because I understand the training, I understand this business. And that's what makes Wealthy Affiliate an awesome all-in-one platform, because it has basically everything that you need for a very, very affordable price, guys. All right. So again, check it out with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Get your free account, test it out, and then upgrade to premium. And then I will help you through your online journey. And I can't wait to do that. Okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online and more about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos all the time, guys, so get notified. All right? I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.